Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're so happy you're joining us. If you're new here, Oceanfront Builders specializes in crafting exceptional homes and commercial spaces that capture the essence of Southern California living, with a special passion for coastal properties. We're based in Los Angeles and Orange counties and dedicated to sharing our expertise to help you create your dream beachfront retreat. Today we're immersing ourselves in the captivating world of coastal design, specifically tailored for beachfront properties. Owning a home on the ocean is a dream come true for many, and the design should not only enhance the stunning views, but also withstand the unique challenges of a marine environment. We'll explore inspiring design ideas, practical tips, and material selections that will transform your beachfront property into a stylish and resilient coastal haven. What makes beachfront design so special? It's about more than just nautical decor. It's about creating a harmonious relationship between the built environment and the surrounding natural landscape. Beachfront homes should celebrate the ocean views, embrace the natural light, and provide a comfortable and inviting space for relaxing and entertaining. They must also be designed to withstand the harsh coastal environment, which can be particularly demanding on building materials. Here are some of the core principles that underpin successful beachfront design. View maximization, orienting the home to capture panoramic ocean views from as many rooms as possible. Natural light optimization, utilizing large windows, skylights, and light-colored surfaces to maximize natural light penetration. Durable material selection, choosing materials that can withstand salt air, wind, sand, and humidity. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow, creating smooth transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces to maximize enjoyment of the coastal environment. Coastal-inspired aesthetics, incorporating design elements that reflect the colors, textures, and patterns of the surrounding coastal landscape. One of the most effective ways to enhance a beachfront property is to install large panoramic windows that frame the ocean views. These windows not only maximize the view, but also flood the interior with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Considerations. Select impact-resistant glass to withstand strong winds and potential debris. Consider low-E coatings to reduce heat gain and glare. Placement. Strategically place windows to capture the best views from key living areas such as the living room, dining room, and master bedroom. Framing. Opt for minimal framing to maximize the glass area and minimize visual obstructions. Bifold doors are a fantastic way to create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing you to fully embrace the beachfront lifestyle. These doors can be fully opened, creating a wide-open connection between the interior living space and an outdoor patio or deck. Considerations. Choose weather-resistant materials such as aluminum or vinyl for the door frames. Ensure the doors are properly sealed to prevent water and air infiltration. Placement. Install bifold doors in key living areas that connect to outdoor spaces, such as the living room or dining room. Benefits: maximizes views, creates a sense of spaciousness, and allows for easy indoor-outdoor entertaining. Outdoor living spaces are an essential part of any beachfront home. Create comfortable and inviting outdoor areas that are perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the ocean breeze. Key elements: covered patios, outdoor kitchens, fire pits, comfortable seating, and outdoor lighting. Materials: durable outdoor furniture made from weather-resistant materials such as teak, aluminum, or wicker. Use natural stone or composite decking for the flooring. Landscaping: incorporate drought-tolerant plants that thrive in the coastal environment. Selecting the right materials is crucial for ensuring that your beachfront home can withstand the harsh coastal environment. Exterior materials. Opt for materials that are resistant to salt air, wind, and sand, such as fiber cement siding, stucco, or natural stone. Roofing materials. Choose roofing materials that are durable and wind-resistant, such as tile, metal, or composite shingles. Decking materials. Select decking materials that are resistant to moisture, rot, and insect damage, such as composite decking or pressure-treated lumber. Window and door materials. Choose window and door frames made from weather-resistant materials, such as aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass. Incorporate design elements that reflect the colors, textures, and patterns of the surrounding coastal landscape to create a cohesive and inviting beachfront home. Use a light and airy color palette inspired by the ocean, sand, and sky. Think shades of blue, green, white, and beige. Incorporate natural textures such as linen, cotton, seagrass, and driftwood. Display coastal-inspired artwork such as seascapes, nautical prints, and seashell collections. Beachfront properties are vulnerable to storms and high winds, so it's important to prioritize storm protection measures in your design. Install impact-resistant windows and doors that can withstand strong winds and potential debris. Consider installing hurricane shutters to protect windows and doors during severe storms. Ensure that your roof is properly reinforced to withstand high winds. Elevate the foundation of your home to protect against flooding. Take advantage of the ocean breeze by maximizing natural ventilation in your beachfront home. Install plenty of operable windows that can be opened to allow for cross-ventilation. Install skylights to allow for natural light and ventilation. Install ceiling fans to circulate air and improve comfort. Orient windows to capture prevailing breezes. While beachfront properties offer stunning ocean views, it's also important to create private outdoor retreats where you can relax and escape from the elements. Design covered patios that provide shade and protection from the sun and rain. Install privacy screens or landscaping to create a sense of seclusion. Include an outdoor shower for rinsing off after a swim in the ocean. Designing a beachfront property requires a unique blend of creativity, practicality, and a deep appreciation for the coastal environment. By incorporating these design ideas and working with a qualified architect and builder, you can create a beachfront home that is both stunning and built to last. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience designing and building exceptional beachfront homes throughout Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. If you're ready to transform your beachfront property into your dream coastal retreat, we encourage you to contact us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. Remember, your beachfront home should be a sanctuary where you can relax, reconnect with nature, and create lasting memories with family and friends. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable coastal design tips and expert building insights. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching and happy beachfront living.